हाय एवरीवन। तो इस वक्त 7 बजे सुबह के और आज हम जा रहे हैं एक हमारे नए दोस्त को। लेट्स सी आज हम उन्हें रिसीव करने जा रहे हैं। सो सी यू एंड टिल देन एंजॉय दिस पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो दैट हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रिसीव आवर फ्रेंड। सी यू।
Welcome to Barcelona. So now he's here, and I'm so happy.
Welcome. How are you, Asif?
I'm good, and you?
and still fine. How was your journey? It was so long.
It was muy bien.
Because
It's the muy bien. See?
yeah, because of the stay at the Dubai airport.
Okay, so now let's go over to the metro station.
Here's the vending machine. From where we have to buy the ticket, and we are now at the airport right now. So you have the screen in front of you. You have my languages. Let's say select English language, and then you have the language of this whole screen into the English. Now you have to select the ticket. So there are so many tickets. Like if you are coming here for 2 days or more or less 3 days, so you can use this ticket, and more than 2 days you can use this ticket. Then similarly 4, 5, and so on. So the most suitable ticket over here is that either you want to go for one journey from airport to the to your house, or anywhere in the Barcelona, so you can buy this ticket. Or otherwise you have the 3 more options here: T usual, T dia, and T COVID. So the most suitable ticket is T usual, because it is valid for 1 month and for unlimited trips. Now we have to enter here a serial number or any document number that is available on your passport or anything else. So I'm not going to show you the €40, and now we have the €40 cash, and we are going to insert this cash into this vending machine one by one. So here, one, it is 30 pay here, 20 pay over here, and this is for the 10, and now the final 10. We have our ticket here. It is processing, and we have our ticket. We are going back to the home. So this train goes to the coming from the city center to airport, and here opposite to that it is going from airport to the city center. So it is called the Zona Universitaria, and here is a line of the track that the train follows that track from airport T1, T2, and then so on till Zona Universitaria.